Okay, students, you had already learned about the potential due to the system of charges and potential inside and outside the charged spherical shell. So our next topic is electric potential due to an electric dipole. Already you learned about the dipole, a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by finite distance. Suppose P is the any point whose distance from the center is r, and r1, r minus and r plus is the distance from negative and positive charges, and we have to find out the potential at point P. Okay, so we can write potential at point P due to minus q and plus q charges. So what is the formula for potential at that point P? So that potential we can take in potential due to negative charge plus potential due to positive charge, that k minus q upon r minus plus kq upon r plus. So take out the kq common, 1 upon r plus minus 1 upon r minus, and now you simply taking the LCM, kq r minus minus r plus divided by r plus into r minus. So here simple formula for the potential at point P due to these two charges. Now to find out the value of r minus and r plus, from the point B we are taking a perpendicular on AP BM such that this difference is r minus r plus and this angle is theta. So just what we are doing, we are simply taking BM perpendicular on AP such that AM is nothing but it is AP minus MP, and this AM is equal to r minus r plus. It is adjusted in this manner. Okay, and this MP and AM, that is almost remains the same. So from triangle AMB, what is cos theta? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So AM upon AB, that is equal to r minus minus r plus upon 2a. So we can write r minus minus r plus is equal to 2a cos theta. So when you substitute this value here, so we get potential becomes k 2a kq 2a cos theta upon r plus into r minus. का सब्स्टिट्यूट किया बेटा इन दिस प्लेस, के क्यू आर माइनस आर प्लस की जगह पे 2a cos थीटा फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 1, बट q इंटू 2a इज p फॉर डाइपोल मोमेंट. सो देयरफॉर तो v becomes k की वैल्यू 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन 0 p cos theta upon r plus into r minus. Okay, this derivation is slightly different from the textual derivation. This become very easy as compared to the textual, because in textual you have to use the binomial theorem, which is difficult for the bio students. That's why. And when r is very greater than a, then we can write r plus r minus is almost same, and that becomes r. So when you take this value, so v is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 p cos theta upon r square, or in terms of vector notation also we can write vector p dot r caret upon r square. अगर यहाँ साइन थीटा होता तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट आता था, यहाँ कॉस है इसीलिए p dot r caret upon r square we can write. तो from this you can say that v is proportional to r square, and जो electric field is from due to the dipole, that is proportional to 1 by r होती है बेटा. तो you can say that here for axial line theta either 0 or 180, so which implies cos theta become plus or minus 1. So for the formula for potential become plus minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 p by r square, and for equatorial line For equatorial line, theta is equal to 90, which implies cos theta is equal to 0. The potential for all the points on equatorial line is 0. So once again, I am taking, we have to find out the electric potential due to an electric dipole. Dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a finite distance. So minus q plus q separated by 2a, p is the any point. So at point P, V minus plus V plus, that is equal to K minus Q due to this, and K plus Q due to मेरा charge at B. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance R minus, यहाँ से यहाँ तक distance R plus. तो KQ common. On simplifying, KQ is equal to R minus minus R plus upon R plus into R minus. To find out the value of R minus minus R plus, we are taking BM perpendicular on AP such that these two values will remains the same. So AM is equal to R1 minus R plus. So from triangle AMB, because it is a right angle, it is a perpendicular. So adjacent upon hypotenuse, cos theta. So R minus minus R plus is 2a cos theta. Substituting at this place, substitute karo. Substituting equation number 1. So V is equal to KQ 2a cos theta. Q into 2a is P, that is dipole moment. So V is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P cos theta. R dot R plus into R minus when R is very greater, because when this distance is small and P is at large distance, what we can write, R plus and R minus both are equal to R. So K P cos theta upon R square, or if you want to write in the vector form, the P dot R caret upon R square. Here देखो, electric field is proportional to R cube. Sorry. So here electric field due to an electric dipole is 1 upon R cube, and potential V is proportional to 1 by R square. So for axial line, when we are on the x-axis, either on right side, okay, on right side the angle is theta 0 and left side angle is 180 degree. So we can say that V is equal to plus minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 P upon R square, and for equatorial line, थीटा जहाँ पे 90 होगा, ऑल पॉइंट्स ऑन द इक्वेटोरियल मतलब इसको बीच में से डिवाइड करेंगे. दिस इज इक्वेटोरियल लाइन. हियर माइनस क्यू, दिस पॉइंट इज प्लस क्यू. हियर एंगल थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90. दिस इज इक्वेटोरियल लाइन. हियर इट इज, यहाँ पे एक्सियल लाइन लेफ्ट साइड. हियर थीटा की वैल्यू 0, हियर थीटा इज 180. Okay. चलो बेटा, go through this video 2-3 times, try to understand, then only you can and write this derivation 2 or 3 times. Okay.